Question 1. Explain 2 ways in which the extract fits the genre of the lifestyle magazine. The keywords in the question. The first one's explain. This means PEE, paragraphs, to explain it. The second one is 2. This means 2 paragraphs and one main reason for each paragraph. Genre is the audience and lifestyle magazine is celebs, gossip and real life. And you've got a plan for your paragraph. Question 1 is mainly about codes and conducts, rules, how you know it fits into the lifestyle magazine and how it does that. This image is the burger technique. This basically shows how you should plan out your paragraph. The first one of the burger, make your point. The second one is provide evidence, e.g. a quote from your point. The third one's identify the technique that has been used. Maybe synthetic personalisation has been used, which is a false relationship between the reader and the text. The fourth one's interpret and explain. This means to interpret the word that you've picked out and explain what it means and what the effect of it is. The fifth one's pick another keyword from your quote, the key point of the actual quote. And then the last one's interpret and explain the effect of that quote, of that keyword in the quote. The burger technique basically helps to answer your answer in a good way and get every detail in to get your top marks. Sympathetic personalisation. This is what you have to talk about a lot in the text. Sympathetic personalisation is a false relationship with the reader. You know this when they use you, we and us. This is direct address. This question is 10 marks. This means 2 paragraphs, 2 points in each paragraph, 5 marks per paragraph. Question 2. Give one example of each of the following and explain how it is used in the extract to create an effect. Layout, typography, use of language, use of images. The keywords in this question. 1. Only one, you don't need more than one. Each, every one. Explain, this means you have to explain your evidence in detail and effect, what effect this gives. Use of language, what language they use, effect it gives us, is it persuasive or not? Typography, what language do they use, what text they use, sans serif or serif, what colours they use to give across, e.g. if they gave red it could be danger or romance, and what effect it gives us overall. Layout, how the magazine is laid out. Is there more text and images? Is the magazine cluttered? Is it asymmetric or symmetric? The use of images. What images they use, close up, mid shot, the effect that it gives us, who the images are of, and how they are represented in the image. This question is also 20 marks. You get 5 marks for the layout, which should be 1 paragraph, which is a good paragraph. Typography, also 5 marks, a good paragraph. Use of language, which is 5 marks and a good paragraph. And the use of image, which is 5 marks and 1 paragraph. Question 3. Discuss how people and or femininity are represented in the extract. The key words in the question: discuss. This means talk about and argue what you think. Femininity, being female. Representation, how the media shows things or someone to be and how they represent them in the extract or image. Discuss. This means make sure you put your point across in a good way, give your evidence, come to a clear judgment and conclusion of what you think and what they represent. Representation, men, women, gender, age, youth. This question's 20 marks. You need 4 good paragraphs explaining different different things. Explain it in detail and 5 marks per paragraph. They need to be good paragraphs as well.